Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up the Skylight frame, only way. Start by measuring the roof opening twice, clearing debris, and confirming roof pitch. Verify structural support and locate rafters before proceeding. Cut the opening only after marking precise lines and wearing safety gear. Prepare a temporary brace if needed and assemble the rough frame components on a flat surface for an efficient installation sequence. Begin assembling the Skylight frame on a stable surface using pre-cut jambs and sill plates. Dry fit all corners, then fasten with corrosion-resistant screws to maintain longevity. Apply flashing tape at seams and overlaps to create a water-resistant barrier. Check squareness with a carpenter's square and adjust as necessary. Keep sealant beads steady and clean to ensure tight seals and a tidy final appearance for the exterior flashing. With help, lift the framed skylight into the prepared opening and align it square to the roof lines. Fasten through the frame into existing rafters or blocking using recommended spacing for load transfer. Install manufacturer-specified flashing starting from the bottom and working upward to shed water. Seal all exposed fasteners and seams with roofing sealant. Double-check interior clearances and insulation before finishing the inside trim for a clean, weatherproof installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.